How to connect Wi-Fi without password in laptop free tutorial. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Go to Google, Microsoft Edge, or your browsing website and type in this website here on the screen. Open up your Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or browser and type in QR code Wi-Fi generator. Now there is a list of QR code websites or generators, but if we scroll down, the particular website we're going to be using is this one right here, qfi.org. Once this has loaded, you are going to be able to type in your SSID of the network and then the key or the password. And then encryption, you can choose of one of these three options, WPA, WEP, or none. Once you have inputted the information, click Generate. And voila! And once you have your smartphone loaded, you want to access the camera app. And once the camera is out, you want to see if your Wi-Fi is turned off. See how we are not connected. And then now we want to scan the QR code that we had just created and click Join Network. Join. And voila, you are now connected officially to Wi-Fi via QR code Wi-Fi without password and laptop. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel for more content.